I need a weapon. Thank you. Marked a location. Fall back to safe zone. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Marked a location. I got your back. I'm really sorry. Let's fight together.
That's a great idea. Where you want to go? About yours, Paul.
Excellent work.
We can stock up here and then head out from there. Slow, smooth, smooth as fast. Everybody pick a roof.
Marked a location. Enemies ahead! Watch out!
God damn it, you got the same roof. Of all the roofs. Nicely done.
Thank you. Enemies ahead!
Where's that coming from? Oh, you got him. Oh, I did. Who was that? Was that you? Number 3? Hold on.
Yeah, I got him. Sound like I heard some more footsteps. That's why I was trying to double back.
Yeah, I did too.
Enemies ahead!
Did you see more?
No, I ain't seen no more. I just sound like I heard some more footsteps. That's why I kind of got quiet.
Yeah, got it. Number 2, I'm coming up behind you.
Got a shot. Got a shot.
How far away from the next circle? Oh shit, we're across the bridge.
Enemies ahead.
I'm gonna look for a vehicle.
Tempo.
Got a vehicle.
Marked a vehicle.
can still hang out here for a minute. We've got a couple minutes. Oh, where's that? That's up the hill.
Yeah,
Anybody
it's
got a
up
good
here.
scope?
No, I ain't got them yet.
I got shit too. All I got is a holo. Suck.
Yeah.
I don't even have a really good gun. I got a 246 with 80 rounds.
Uh-huh. Good spot for the bad
Patty.
pick today. Let me see. Uh-oh.
God damn. How many times did I hit that guy? It was ridiculous. Shot him like
Did you get him?
times. No.
Oh, Lord.
He's still on it.
They on me. They on me. I'm laying down in the grass. I don't know where I'm getting
Coming
hit
after
from,
you. He's right there. Oh, shit.
Did y'all get it?
I'm in. All right. I'm in the nest, though. He's in here somewhere.
Oh, Lord.
I got somebody.
Damn.
Oh,
he got me. He got me.
great.
Damn.
Great. Oh, shit.
Yeah, he got me.
Dude, sorry about that.
You all right? He snuck
Where'd
up
he
on
come
me. He
from?
snuck up on me. Yeah. He came from around the building.
Oh, shit. He's grenading. They're coming after us.
Yeah, they. Good shot, number four. Number four got him. Let me see. Let me go to you.
I am so out of ammo.
Number four is up on the hill, and that.
Here's number
It's
2.
one. Okay. Oh, they got number four. He's up on the hill by the rock.
Watch out!
They know where we are. We got to get out of there. Number 2.
Have they scoped us out? Cause he came around the building on me, so.
Oh, I got to get rid of this. Oh, number 2's fucked. What happened to you? Come this way.
Somebody help. Okay, there you go.
Shit.
Oh. Well,
that sucked. We are toast. Now I just got to sit and wait and die. Let's run this again, guys.
Yeah, that's
good. Better.
But you still got number 2 with you. Oh, you is number 2.
No. Oh, yeah, he's got me.
No, number 2.
Watch out, a grenade somewhere. Not smoke. Here he comes. Front door. All right. No.
Oh.
Shit.
That's the same one that killed me.
There you go, bastard.
Good shot.
Hey, no one's coming. Be careful.
That was one that had the orange suit on.
11 bullets. Yeah, the orange suit.
Yeah, that was one that killed me.
He's close. You have anything else good? Oh, shit. Here he comes. How's that for firepower?
Good shot. Exactly.
Ooh, there's a ASM. Oh, there's a red dot too. Hey, there's another red dot over here. If you want one, number 2.
Somebody else.
Hold up too. I'm coming. Ooh, lots of good stuff.
That was packing.
God bless, that was a lot of bad guys. All right, we've got a vehicle down there if you want to go get that. We're going to get out of here. I see that vehicle. Shit. Where you're going, but you feel like you're on a mission.